Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys an apartment tour of how I renovated this apartment. So let's get to it.
Starting off at the entry, there's a bathroom on the right with just a shower, a toilet and basin, which then leads to the dining and living room.
So these are from IKEA, and then I've actually just added these golden bolts from IKEA as well, which my dad helped to drill in to customize it a bit. So it looks good in a free series. You can also get some fake books. So these are actually empty and cardboard. But I also matched it with some real books. So mix and match them up for decoration.
Added a painting that I did at the entry as a main feature, and then it leads to the living room with the dining table on the left. I added a mirror on the wall to reflect the scenery. To the left is the first study room, so it just fits a good sized bed with a space for desk, nice windows to overlooking the cityscape. The selling point of this apartment was honestly the view. The river and the cityscape during sunset especially is just stunning. The kitchen is quietly tucked away on the side. I didn't want an open kitchen that looks messy. This is the main bedroom as well, which has really nice views to the river and the cityscape.
This bedside table is also from IKEA, but this is a custom marble slab which you can get cut to the exact size of this bedside table, and then you just place it on top. So it just elevates the bedside table a lot more, making it look more expensive.
That's how I renovated my apartment in Sydney. Stay tuned to see more renovation projects that I do.